Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 12, general forms. Okay, so personally, I think general form isn't really very useful, and then there's not much information displayed in the equations, and then you cannot get in too much information. Also, it's not easy, not fast, and then not nice as well. I don't know why we learning these things, but this is your curriculum, so you gotta learn it. Okay, so personally, I don't really like general forms. All you need to know is how to convert general form into slope-intercept forms, and then how to convert it back. And then also you need to know by using x, y intercept to draw the linear functions, and that's it. Okay, let's see questions here. We're gonna have this slope in. Okay, you got this general form here. We need to write these things into slope-intercept forms and then draw the graph. Okay, so let's see first. So how do we convert it into slope-intercept forms here? We just isolate y and that's it. Okay, making y in this side, everything else on the other side, negative 3x minus 3, finished. Now that's slope-intercept forms. Okay, so we got slope equal to negative 3, and then the y-intercept equal to negative 3. So we can draw the graph. We can draw graph negative 3, 0, that is our y-intercept, which is in here. Okay, and then negative 3 means when x moving right by 1, going down by 3, y going down by 3. Moving right by 1, going down by 3, which is here. We connect the line and then we're done. Make sense? That's pretty easy. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other way. We don't have to convert into slope point form or slope intercept forms, and then we still can draw these things. Sometimes if the question only asks you to draw the graph, they didn't ask you to convert it. So it's not necessary. How to do that? 3x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, you can use your fingers to cover this part. Okay, cover the x part. What else do you have? Y plus 3, right? Then y equal to what? Y equal to negative 3. That means y equal to negative 3 here. Okay, good. Let's write in the other one. It's supposed to be 3x plus y plus 3, right? Now use your finger to cover this part. What do you have? It's a 3x plus 3 equal to 0, right? 3x plus 3 equal to 0. That means the 3x equal to negative 3 and the x equal to negative 1. Okay? Negative 1 is here. Negative 1 is here, right? Good. You connect these 2 points and then you're finished. That is how to using x-intercept and the y-intercept to draw the graph. We both know you need 2 points to form a graph, right? Two points to form linear functions. Okay, so I mean cover this part. To do these things, I'm looking for y-intercept. Okay, cover this part, do these things, I'm looking for x-intercept. Pretty much I'm just covering both to do the x, y-intercept and then connect x and the y-intercept. We got a line. Make sense? Good. All right, let's see next questions here. This one is to determine the general forms by using these linear functions. Okay, in here it really doesn't have very good ideas how to do these things. Just we can just using what we have learned about slope point forms or slope intercept forms do these things. All right, so let's see. We can use this point, which is in the whole number. We can use this point as a whole number as well. Okay, so we got a 2 point here. With x moving right by 1, y going down by 3. So we got the slope equal to negative 3. Okay, and then we got this point. That is what? That is 0 and negative 1, 0. This point is negative 1 and 0. Okay, so we can using slope point forms, which is equal to x plus 1, which is x minus negative 1, okay? And then y equal to this. Okay, now we have slope point forms. How do we convert slope point forms into general forms? we expand it. Y equal to negative 3x minus 3. Okay, so think about this. We have negative 3x plus 3. And then what is general forms? General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. One thing we need to make sure that one side of the equation is nothing, so must be 0. And then also we need to be careful, the a value must be positive. So we need to make sure the coefficient of x value, x-axis, x must be positive. So it means we need to move these things to the other side here, which is equal to 3x. And then y is now moving. Y already on the left hand side. And then we're moving the 3 the other side as well. We got this. So 3x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. That is how to using the linear graph to find out slope point forms and then convert it into into general forms. Okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.